Okay, first of all, I would like to thank all of you at the control center around the world for your dedicated work and outstanding support for this increment. Looking back, this increment 39 has been a very exciting increment. In addition to the successful undocking and landing of 36 Soyuz, we had successful launch, rendezvous, and docking of 38 Soyuz. And we had very successful undocking and docking of Progress 53P. For the testing of the new cruise system, Misha was always ready to take manually, but the docking was perfect on the new cruise system in automatic mode. We also did the first predetermined debris avoidance maneuver using the Progress in the service module aft. We did the first live documentary from the International Space Station on the National Geographic and Channel 4 London special, which captured a huge number of audience in more than 140 countries in the world. We did a variety of maintenance tasks, Sidra, back bed cleaning. Rick and Swanee worked on that. And then replacement of the fan pump separators of the EMU spacesuits. They did a fantastic job. We had the successful rendezvous, capture, and berthing of the SpaceX Dragon. And after we did the successful undocking of 53P on the same day, Swanee and then Rick went out on a spacewalk to exchange the external MDM. And they did a fantastic job on the EVA. And this was another first of having a visiting vehicle operation on the same day that we conducted EVA. And we did a variety of science activities in the lab in Columbus module, as well as here in the Kibo module, especially after the arrival of SpaceX Dragon. Robotics flight controllers of the Dexter Robotics did a fantastic job of ground commanding the Dexter robot for the installation of opals and HDEV payloads. The Tsukuba team also did the fantastic job of replacing Spile's payload using Kibo's robotics with the ground commanding. What an exciting time we shared in this increment. And congratulations to the entire team on the remarkable achievement. I had an honor of serving as commander, which was an incredible opportunity for me to expand my knowledge and experience in managing this complex outpost of humans in space. And I couldn't have done this job without the superb performance of my fellow crewmates and the great teamwork. Swanee, Sasha, Oleg, Rick, and Misha, thank you very much for your outstanding help and then sharing this wonderful moment, wonderful time together during the onboard and also during the years of training. Now it's time for me to hand over the helm to the very respected colleague of mine and friend, Steve Swanson of NASA. I had an opportunity to fly with him on a space shuttle mission, STS-119. He has a great sense of humor and is simply a fine person. Knowing that we will leave the space station in best hands, formally, I will hand over the command to Steve. Congratulations and best wishes to the crew of Expedition 40 for a successful mission.
Thank you very much, Koichi. And thank you, Rick and Misha. When we first got here, you guys were very kind to us, and you gave us so much friendship. It meant so much to us, I think. That, it makes this a little bit of a sad moment for me, because I've come to grow to like you guys very much. And I would wish we could be up here for a long time, but I know you have to go. But again, thank you also for the experience you guys given us, the knowledge you have given us. You have together a combined 11 space flights and over 3 years of time in space, which is just amazing. And that knowledge you've given us is fantastic, and I really appreciate it. I feel honored to have that opportunity to learn from you guys. And for Koichi, Thank you very much. Your leadership was fantastic on Increment 39. You set an example that is going to be very hard to match. You were just wonderful. Your diligence, your endless energy, your desire to make the station as best as it possibly could be, it was just a pleasure to watch. I truly am very proud to have been part of your crew, and I think everybody else here could say the same thing. We're just very proud and very happy to be part of your crew. So Koichi Wakata, you are relieved.
Thank you, Steve.